ask a question to myself. Where is that content which says they are saying I made blasphemous comments? What is that? Today, as we read this, it does not disclose a cognizable offense which they have registered. Now, please see this is registered on 15/5, and that is important. 15th of May, this FIR has been registered. On 17th of May, they take warrants of arrest against me, my lords. Warrants of arrest has been taken, my lord. On 7th of May,
Yes.
as a student, when the Operation Sindoor started between India and Pakistan, there was on social media a war of words, allegedly by various people, my lords, across the border. In one of the rants, it is alleged that while replying that we are delusional, there is no proof why we are fighting Pakistan, why we are blaming Pakistan. So this girl allegedly had a post in reply to that, where it is alleged that she has said something beyond replying that we are not children of Mahatma and all. She said, she is alleged to have said that you must be delusional. Your Nabi must be delusional when you are talking. Delusional. My lord, there is nothing otherwise alleged. Please see the FIR, and we'll start by the, my lords, how they go about it, my lords. Please see the FIR, and that FIR is on page, my lords, 18. Does it disclose an offense? That is the issue, my lords. My lord, the complaint is on page 19, and I'll read it. To officer in charge, Garden Reach Police Station. Subject, demand to register FIR against one resident of Kolkata named Sharmishta Penoli under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by insulting Holy Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. Respected sir, this letter is to draw your attention that one lady named Sharmishta Penoli, resident of Kolkata, likely from Urbana NRI Complex, Kolkata, and pursuing law from Symbiosis School of Law, Pune, has made blasphemous comment on the Prophet of Islam in a very abusive manner. This kind of act brings disharmony, unjust, unrest in the society, and as a resident of Kolkata city, we will not tolerate such kind of blasphemy against our Prophet in our city. We demand to register FIR, action against her under appropriate section for hurting religious sentiments of Muslim community around the country by publishing blasphemous content against the Prophet of Islam on X, formerly Twitter, and on Instagram, which is being viral on social media around 4 p.m., 14/5/2025. We are attaching the link for the video in which one lady, Sharmishta Penoli, has blasphemically commented on Prophet of Islam with a dirty mouth in which she abuses the Holy Prophet and try to bring disharmony, unrest, and communal dispute around the country. Thus, we demand strict action against such hate monger as soon as possible from Kolkata police to maintain peace and harmony in our city, around the country. Such kind of blasphemy are completely intolerable by Muslims, and we will not rest until strict action is being taken against such hate monger. Hope Kolkata police will do their best to bring justice and maintain peace. My lord, I ask a question to myself. Where is that content which says they are saying I made blasphemous comments? What is that? Today, as we read this, it does not disclose a cognizable offense which they have registered. Now, please see this is registered on 15/5, and that is important. 15th of May, this FIR has been registered. On 17th of May, they take warrants of arrest against me, my lords. Warrants of arrest has been taken, my lords, saying that I am not available in my house, and because this is punishable with 3 years at best. So they say they can't arrest. They have to give notice
35B.
under 35B, erstwhile 41A. But instead of that, they say we went there and they were not there. They're absconding. Their phones are switched off, and therefore obtains a warrant of arrest. Now, my lord, there are two things. Parallelly, on 15th, I am before the police station with my complaint saying that I am under acute threat. I am also seeking an apology for whatever was sent. That post was taken off on the 8th May itself, after making it on 7th night. The question today is, my lords, twofold. The law gives me protection, and that protection is, first, you have to register a case only if it, my lords, the contents of the complaint, my lords, show commission of a cognizable offense. This FIR does not have any content. So now I am left with something called a video, a link. My lord, that is why a provision of inquiry is there. First of all, you have to see the link as it is. If it provides that there is, then you will, my lord, ask whether it is. Two questions will be asked. Is it tempered? Is it original? And how it is? Nothing has been done. And warrant of arrest has been obtained. On 15th, 16th, 17th, there is a crowd in front of my house. There is a threat, and I've attached, my lords, right from sexually explicit, my lords, photographs of my daughter, of this girl. Also, my lords, the threat of beheading her, the threats of rape, all they were there. My house was found to be, my lord, attached with this things that I live here. I study in such and such place. This is my father. My father's photograph is also there. So, my lords, we go to the police station on 15, 16, 17, all 3 days. We are asking for protection and security. And, my lords, when it is not given till 19th, we are every day going to the police station. My father is going to the police station every day. And on 19th, when there was a crowd in front of my house at 10 o'clock in the night, my lords, that is the time, my lords, the family decides that now a crowd is assembling, the threat perception is increasing now because it has reached the doorstep. My lords, my father takes the family to Delhi, my lords, Gurugram, the Gurgaon, my lords, earlier. And they are there for some time till the time the threat perception is answered. My lord, because threat perception is continuing. So the phones were switched off because dirty messages, threats are time and again coming. There was a scare. So the question is, my lords, please see what needs to be done at that time. They have to show to the court while taking arrest why I was not there. My phones were available on 17th. It could be ascertained. I am there in my house. It can be ascertained. I left this place on 20th. The warrant of arrest was obtained on this. So, my lord, we'll have to see two things. Whether the registration of the case was proper, number one. Whether my warrant of arrest was taken as per law, disclosing, my lords, facts otherwise which are right. What is the offense against me? Am I a terrorist? Why are they witch hunting? They go all over the country, my lord. They raid everywhere. I did not know. Now I'm coming to know that they have been raiding after this. Whereas I'm here till 20th. So they go, my lord, arrest me by using that technical surveillance. They can do that everywhere. But not one action has been taken on my complaints, on security, on my threat perception, on those, my lord, grave threats which are offense beyond 7 years. Then, my lord, the complainant, I will show that, my lord. I'm giving a summary.
We are in a hearing stage or motion stage in some other cases. I don't understand.
Now, what do you want?
I want, my lord, on my 3 things, my lord.
Yes.
There should be, this should be quashed. My arrest should be declared in a writ petition as illegal, and I should be granted bail forthwith without any conditions, my lords. That is what
you are in custody for 2 days.
My lords, I'm in custody. Even if I'm in custody for 1 hour, the custody itself is illegal, and my lords will have to protect me. And that is
they have arrested in connection with a case.
Yes. My lord, but then case is about 3 years.
Arrested in connection with a case. Yes, Arrest without without in connection with a case is illegal.
Very well. And the registration
You
is
at best can say that they have not issued any notice under 35(3)
Yes,
now,
B.
35B. 35B earlier 41A.
Yes, my
They have not issued any notice.
I have not received, my lords. What they do is, my lords, my lord, they obtain a warrant of arrest saying we served these notices, and it is only during the arguments we come to know.
Yeah, Mr. Banerjee, we will be able to produce the CD or anything.
I'm led by Mr. Bandyopadhyay in this matter, Lord.
Mr.
He's on virtual
Banerjee,
Lord, CD is not available possibly
If I can complete, or I can
under
complete,
section
Mr. Rao.
196. No, this continue.
My
Yes,
friend,
my lord has asked me
Sir, I
to.
have to
My
finish.
lord has asked me, what
Very
is
well.
this? My lord has asked me, don't show
No,
this
no.
posture.
No.
Mr.
Why I
Counsel,
saying
don't show this
that
posture.
court is to look into the material
may
which
grant
have been
me-
collected
So
by
I-
the investigating authorities so far,
So as it
and
is,
on the basis of such,
my lord, as
but the state
But-
is not in a position to produce the same.
so my lord, I am seeking exactly that, brought the compilation. In all these similar circumstances, they say on the first date, even if state is not there, they say grant ad interim bail and then we can continue. I'm only seeking an interim bail. I can't be put into custody as a student, my lords. A girl student with all those, my lords, in that kind of circumstances, she is my lord, she has a ADHD problem,
As here,
attention deficit, my lord. She gets impulsive. She gets, my lords. There's a problem. And staying in jail is creating a problem, my lords, for her. She has a kidney, my lord, disease she's carrying. All I'm trying to say is,
yes, Mr.
I'm only seeking.
Madam, can I submit?
Yes. Yes.
I'm not running away.
Yes.
Can I
Yes,
submit?
Mr.
My lord?
Bandyopadhyay.
My lord, kindly see, a case was initiated under section 196, subsection 1A,
Yes.
then 299,
Yes.
352,
Yes.
353, 1C.
Yes.
Because of her ex-handle posting with a video. My lord, hurting the religious faith. Then, when this complaint has been lodged, my lord, it discloses a cognizable offense. FIR discloses itself is a cognizable offense. When this offense, my lord, it was done, notice was sought to be served. This 2023 and 94 BNSS first notice served, then section 94 she was called upon the steps were to made.